Hi students, this session is for class 7, subject mathematics, chapter 13 symmetry, topic rotational symmetry. Topics covered in this session are rotational symmetry, angle of rotation and order of rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry. What is rotational symmetry? Any object or shape that looks exactly the same at least once during one complete rotation around a fixed point is said to have rotational symmetry. If you fixed a shape in center and if you used to rotate it, you must get the same shape at least once during your full rotation. That is a rotational symmetry. One full turn refers to a rotation of 360 degree. If you start to rotate and end your rotation on the same place where you start, that full rotation has 360 degree. Rotation may be clockwise or anti-clockwise. We can rotate in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction to get the same shape. Some real life examples are flower, leaf, starfish, flower and orange piece. Center of rotation. The fixed point about which the figure is rotated is known as the center of rotation. Look at the figure. A dot or circle in the center of the figure is the center. That is the fixed point. We should not move the figure front or back like that. So this is the fixed point. Keeping it as a fixed point, we have to just rotate the figure. So this point is called center. Then the minimum angle through which the figure has to be rotated to look exactly the same is called the angle of rotation. On rotating, when you get the same shape of the figure, that angle is called as angle of rotation. Angle of rotation equal to 180 degree. The circle is divided into 4 equal parts to find the angle of rotation. Guess it. If the shape is straight to 0 and if you moved it from or start your rotation from 0 to 90 degree, we have completed 1 by 4th of the rotation. From 90 to 180 degree, we have completed half of the rotation. On 270 degree, we have completed 3 by 4th of the rotation. If you are again to 0 degree, we have completed one full rotation. Now the angle of rotation is equal to 360 degree. Okay, let us check it for rectangle. When it was a 90 degree, we did not get the shape. Yes, in 180 degree, we got the same shape of rectangle. Let us check it again. See, 90 degree, it was not there. As when it was straight to 180 degree, we got the same shape of rectangle. Therefore, we get exactly the same shape of rectangle only after they are rotated by 180 degree. Therefore, angle of rotation is equal to 180 degree for rectangle. Order of rotational symmetry. The order of rotational symmetry is the number of times a figure looks exactly the same while it is rotated by 360 degree. Here, on one full turn, on one full rotation, how many times we got the original figure or original shape? That is called the order of rotational symmetry. If you know the angle of rotation of the figure, it will be easy to find the order of rotational symmetry of the given figure. If the angle of rotation of a figure is x degree, then its order of rotation symmetry will be 360 degree divided by x degree. Here you know how to find the angle of rotation. If you use to rotate a shape in anti-clockwise direction, you can take the angle as it is in the figure. Okay. If you want to rotate in clockwise direction, you have to just change the number 270 degree to 90 degree and 90 to 270 degree. That's all. Now let us find the order of rotational symmetry for letter W. The beginning position of the letter W is right to 0 degree. On the next move, it is not in the original shape. We have completed 1 by 4th, which means we are in 90 degree, but we did not get the original shape of W. Okay. When you completed half of the rotation, it will be straight to 180 degree. It is not in the original shape. On the next move, we are in 270 degree. Again, it is not in the original shape. On one full rotation, we are again in the 0 degree. We got the original shape, which means we have completed one full rotation. Now the angle of rotation of the letter W is 360 degree. Only once we got the original shape. Therefore, the order of rotation symmetry of W is equal to 360 degree divided by 360 degree, which is equal to 1. Order 2. Let us find order of letter S. This is the original position. On half turn, we get the same original shape. Okay. And on full turn, we again get the same original shape. Therefore, the letter S has rotational symmetry of order 2 as the angle of rotation is 180 degree. There are two positions in which it looks exactly the same. Therefore, order of rotation symmetry of letter S is equal to 360 degree divided by 180 degree, which is equal to 2. Order 3. Let us take equilateral triangle now as an example for order 3. Look at the picture. PQR is an equilateral triangle. On first move, P is straight to 120 degree. On the second move, it is straight to 240 degree. On the third move, we have completed one full rotation. We got 3 original position on one full turn. An equilateral triangle has rotational symmetry of order 3 as the angle of rotation is 120 degree. There are 3 positions in which it looks exactly the same. Therefore, order of rotation symmetry of an equilateral triangle is equal to 360 degree divided by 120 degree, which is equal to 3. Order 4. So, I am going to take 4-sided regular polygon, which is square. ABCD is a square. Count how many times we getting the original shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times we got the original shape on one full rotation. You can check it again. Look at the figure and check it again. Okay. Therefore, a square has rotational symmetry of order 4 as the angle of rotation is 90 degree. There are 4 positions in which it looks exactly the same. Therefore, order of rotational symmetry of square is equal to 360 degree divided by 90 degree, which is equal to 4. Order 5. You know very well that a regular polygon with 5 sides is pentagon. Okay. If the given figure is regular polygon, the order will be the number of sides. The order of the given polygon is equal to number of sides. Let us check it. Now I am going to take 5-pointed star as an example for order 5, and you can also find using pentagon. Let us check it using the 5-pointed star. Now P is in 0 position. check it how many times you are getting the star. Same here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times we are getting the original shape on one full rotation. Likewise, for pentagon also, we will get 5 times the original shape on one full rotation. The pentagon has rotational symmetry of order 5. There are 5 positions in which it looks exactly the same. We can find angle using the order of the given shape. Therefore, angle of rotation of pentagon is equal to 360 degree divided by order. You can get the angle of pentagon, angle of rotation of pentagon, which is 72 degree. Order 6. I hope you may guess the shape. Yes, a regular polygon with 6 sides is hexagon. Hexagon, a regular polygon hexagon has order 6 because the order of the rotation symmetry of a regular polygon is equal to number of sides of the regular polygon. So, the hexagon has rotational symmetry of order 6. This is the hexagon. On one full rotation, you get the same shape 6 times. Okay. You can check it by rotating the shape. Now, let us find the angle. The order of rotational symmetry of any regular polygon is equal to the number of sides. We are going to find the angle for hexagon. Angle of rotation of hexagon is equal to 360 degree divided by number of times, which means order of hexagon is 6. Number of times we got the same shape on one full rotation. 6 times we got. Therefore, 360 degree divided by 6 is equal to 60 degree. So, angle of rotation of hexagon is equal to 60 degree. Reflection and rotational symmetries. Reflection symmetry. Reflection symmetry is nothing but if you divide a shape into 2 equal parts, the parts must match with each other exactly. Then we say that the given shape has reflection symmetry. Let us check it. Let us take this shape and divide into 2 equal parts. Yes, both the parts are having the same shape and size and they are exactly matching with each other. Let us take another shape and divide into 2. But we are not getting the same shape and size matching with each other. So, the first shape has reflection symmetry, but the second shape does not have reflection symmetry. Rotational symmetry. Let us check it. Both the shapes having rotational symmetry or not. I am going to take first shape. Yes, first shape has reflection symmetry as well as rotational symmetry. Let us check it. Taking second shape. Yes, second shape also has rotational symmetry, but second shape does not have reflection symmetry. Exercise 13.2. Third sum. What is the angle and the order of rotation of these figures? First one, they have given a figure. Let us find the angle and the rotation of the given figure. This is the beginning question. When the figure is rotated to 90 degree, it was like this. This is not the original shape. Therefore, again I am rotating it to 180 degree. Yes, we got the original shape. Therefore, angle of rotation is equal to 180 degree. Order of rotation is equal to 360 degree divided by 180 degree, which is equal to 2. From this, we come to know that The angle of rotation of the given figure is 180 degree and order is equal to 2. Order is equal to 2 means 2 times we get the original shape on one full rotation. Now we have moved the figure to 180 degree. Let us move it to 270 degree. The shape is not matched with the original one. Now I have completed one full rotation. We got the original shape. Therefore, 2 times we got the original shape. Angle of rotation is equal to 180 degree and the order of rotation is equal to 2. Fourth sum, an arrangement of 5 equal squares edge to edge is called a pentomino. Which of these pentominos show rotational symmetry? First pentomino is here. Okay, this is the 0 position, which means beginning position. When it rotates to 90 degree, we get this shape. This shape is not its original shape. Therefore, let us rotate it to 180 degree. As we get the original shape of the given figure or given pentomino. Okay, we got the same shape when it is rotated to 180 degree. Now let us rotate it to 270 degree. We get this shape. This is not its original shape. And on one full rotation, again we are getting the original shape. Therefore, angle of rotation is equal to 180 degree. Order of rotation is equal to 360 degree divided by 180 degree, which is equal to 2. 2 times we got the original figure on one full rotation. So, the above figure has rotational symmetry. Fourth one, given shape is the pentomino. When we rotate it to 90 degree, we get the shape like this. The pentomino does not match with the original one. So, I am rotating it to 180 degree. We get like this. Again, we did not get the original shape. Therefore, again I am rotating it to 270 degree. This shape does not match with the original one. Again I am rotating it to 360 degree. As we got the original shape. Therefore, angle of rotation is equal to 360 degree. Order of rotation is equal to 360 degree divided by 360 degree, which is equal to 1. Which means only one time we get the original shape on one full rotation. So, the pentomino do not have rotational symmetry. Fifth Roman, what is the degree of rotation of the given figures from A to B? Second sum, this is the A figure, this is the pentomino with 5 square, and this is B figure. We have to find angle of rotation when A is rotated, on which angle we get the shape B. Let us find the angle. Now this is the beginning position of A shape. When it is rotated to 90 degree, it will be like this. But this shape is not matching with B. When it is rotated to 180 degree, the shape is like this. It is not matching with B. Now we are rotating the shape to 270 degree. Yes, it is exactly matching with the shape B. Therefore, the angle, which means the degree of rotation of given figure, is equal to 270 degree. Thank you all.